Bad boys always win women easily, more than the average cool guy. This is because they have natural nature that aligns with the emotional needs of a woman. So in this video, I will break down 5 significant reasons why women love bad boys more than the average nice guy. Before we go into the points, let's have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video interesting at any point or agree to any point made. Otherwise, you can still like and subscribe for no reason. Let us now go into details. 1. They have options. Bad boys are always known to have different women around them. This is one reason why women cannot resist bad boys, because having women around them makes them pre-selected for other women. Women also naturally love guys that other women want. This is why bad boys easily appeal to women. This is a simple thing every other guy out there can replicate. All you have to do is to see multiple girls, date different girls consciously, and when other women notice that you always have women, they will easily get attracted to you. Do not forget, women always want what other women have. 2. They are not needy. Bad boys are not needy because they have other options, so they do not fight for girls' attention. Bad boys, like we said earlier, have different female options. This places them in abundance and makes them not to fight for the attention of girls because they are in control. It is the women that chase their validation instead because they have other options. So if you want women to get emotionally attached to you, this is one of the important bad boys trait you should cultivate. Do not be needy. Women hate needy men. 3. They are not always available. Bad boys are not always available to just one girl. They have multiple options, so they share their time among the different girls they are seeing. This makes them unavailable most of the time to each girl, and as a result of that, whenever any of them get a hold of him, they wish to enjoy more time with him because they cannot tell when next they will see him. This is one master stroke bad boys do use to get girls attached to them. If you want women to get emotionally attached to you, your availability should be unpredictable. This gives them the time to miss you and beg for your attention. 4. They give women emotional roller coaster. Bad boys are known to give women emotional roller coaster. This is one of the most important tools that makes girls stick to bad boys. The average good guy tries not to hurt a girl. They always want her to feel good and relaxed all the time. They walk on eggshells and does not want the girl to see them with other girls. This is why women do not get so attached or chase good guys. Bad boys, on the other hand, have multiple options. They are not needy and they are unavailable to girls. They do not care how a woman feels. All these make women think about the bad boys more. And the more they think about the bad boys and involve their emotions, is the more they get attached to the bad boys. Women get more attached to whoever they always have in their thoughts. If she is not thinking of you, she will not get attached to you. If you do not give a woman emotions, she will not get attached to you. These are what bad boys do without even knowing, and this is one reason women get so attached to them. 5. They let women compete for them. Bad boys always have multiple female options. This makes women want to fight for his attention and validation. Women always love to fight for a guy's attention. This is what they do not get from the good guys. The good guys makes women feel relaxed without competition, but the bad boys see other girls. Once each girl knows that there are other girls in the picture and their position is not secured, or they can easily lose him to the next girl, they begin to chase his validation more in order to win him over. Bad boys allow women compete for them. This is one of the major reasons women really love bad boys, because bad boys triggers their emotions and sparks their curiosity. With bad boys, women are always on an emotional adventure, and women really love it when their emotions are triggered. These are the reasons why women easily fall for bad boys more than the good guy. So if you continue acting like the good boy, you will most likely lose your girl to a bad boy unless you take note of all 5 traits, cultivate them, and add them to your personality in order to boost your dating game. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.